Hello guys, so we have this ECOX mining as well as the Sprouts mining app too. So if you've signed up maybe for my Telegram channel, you have to complete your KYC on this ECOX. And the good news is I think it's giving pie and cedar vibes because some vendor has been buying it even though the price has not been stable, but I don't even advise anyone to start selling now. We are still very early. Last week we have about I think the price rose to 120 naira per token. And some people are like, how do I say that? But that's not why we are here. So why we are here in this video is how to show you how to complete your KYC, because I'm not encouraging anyone to sell. So if you want to sell, you should do your research on which vendor that is buying. Legit vendor. That should be on you. I'm not selling and I don't want to be involved in it. So do your research on how to sell if you want to sell. That should be your own personal responsibility. So my whole responsibility is to tell you what to do to earn, how to get it, how to complete your KYC, and the conversion. So I think the conversion started today, 8th of September 2025. So according to the previous post that I read, I think the conversion started today. They said GP, Green, and ECX, how they are linked together. Okay, these are the posts. I'm just going to scroll down to... All right, the conversion. The very first Green to ECX conversion will officially begin on September 8th, 2025. You can see this is from their official website. And this marks the launch of a new chapter for ECOX users, where eco-friendly contributions inside the app translate directly into tokenized value. The conversion introduces a set of clear rules to ensure fairness, reward, and commitment, and grow the number of ECX holders. So the first conversion is only available for KYC verified users. Non-KYC users can continue to collect green but cannot convert until they complete KYC. Read the rules before I don't want to start answering questions like how am I going to convert. You need to verify first. If you do not verify, you will not be able to convert. And if you do not convert, this what you are mining is green, so you have to convert from green to ECX. So is that ECX vendors are buying. And I mentioned that if you want to sell, do your own research on how to sell. The reliable vendors on how to sell. I don't want to be involved in the selling part for now. So that's it. So users who skip this round and wait until the next week will be subject to rules of that future week, not this one. That's it. So meaning that every week when the KYC conversion commences, every week has a different rule. For this week, you have to complete KYC for you to be able to convert. So maybe the more you delay, the harder the rules might be. That's the rule number 2. Users who skip this round and wait until next week will be subject to the rules of that future week, not this one. Take note. The conversion just started this week, today, on the 8th. So now I'm just going to show you how to complete the KYC so that you can start your conversion as soon as you are seeing this video. This is where I mine from. So come to these 3 lines. Come to this profile and settings. So you see not KYC'd. So if I click on this not KYC'd, it will tell me you need to pay 0.1 green to proceed with KYC, your current. So I'll have to proceed with this KYC. Let me click on this confirm so you can see. It's saying KYC system is currently overloaded. Please try again in few minutes. So meaning that I'll keep trying. A lot of people want to do KYC at once because of the conversion that has just commenced today. So let me check if I can see where to convert. This is the app. If you want to download the app, this ECOX app. Go green easily, earn reward daily. This is App Store and Android. So you can download the app. It's available both on iOS and both for iOS and Android devices, meaning that you can download on Play Store and on App Store. Just from their website, you click on the one that is applicable to your device, then you download. So let me check where to convert, if it's possible to just explain that. Okay, let me click on wallets. Okay, after you must have converted, you see this ECX. It will now be showing you your available balance. You can see receive, you can see send, you can see deposit, you can see withdraw. So KYC is the only thing that you need to be able to convert now. You are seeing available, you are seeing locked. Because I've not converted token history, this is what I've currently earned. Receive ECX reward. I'm not eligible. It's showing you are not eligible because I've not I've not done KYC. Distribution cycle, June 20th to September 8th. Conversion rates. Okay, this is the conversion rate. One green token equals to 0.02 ECX token. As you can see, the time remaining for me to be able to convert this 30 green I'm currently having is remaining 6 days. Meaning that by next week Monday, another time countdown will be showing for you to see the conversion and the time remaining. So hopefully I'll be able to do my KYC today so that they can convert. I don't know if it is automatic conversion or manual. Okay, I think it is manual. This is it. When you scroll down, you see from convertible balance. My green balance is not showing because I've not done KYC. Let me click on 100%. My green balance is not showing because I've not completed KYC. That's why you are seeing not eligible. So if you scroll down a bit now, you are seeing from convertible balance. When you've completed your KYC, you'll be able to convert. You'll be seeing your green under this convertible balance. Then you enter the amount you want to convert. If you are converting 25% or 50% or 75% or 100% of your mine token. Then I didn't have completed my KYC. I'll just click on 100%. Then they will show me the equivalent amount in ECX. Then I'll click on convert. As you can see, the conversion ratio 1 equals to 0.02 ECX, and you click on convert, and that's all. So I'm not eligible now until I complete my KYC, which I will try to do after I'm done with this video. So this is how to convert your green that you are mining to ECX token, and you can hold your ECX except for those that want to sell. You get your vendor yourself. So for those that want to sell, you can get a vendor for yourself. I don't want to be involved for now. So I'll wait subsequent updates on their listing. Since we can now convert, just hold to your wallet. You see under the wallet, you'll be seeing all your balances. And you can see send, receive, withdraw, all of that. So just hold to your wallet and you'll be able to make do with it later when the project finally lists. So to mine every 24 hours, click on this greenie. Here you'll be able to perform other social tasks. And you can see I'm currently mining. You see post, like, comment, follow, your greenie power. So all these post, like, comment, follow, they are the social tasks you also need to participate with to earn more green power, and you can earn. The more you do the social tasks, they will add to your green power, and you can mine for higher rates every day, every 24 hours. You see, you come here to claim. So if you go to this dashboard too, I'm seeing claim green rewards. First green to all KYC verify users with green balance have received automatic conversion from green to EX plus bonus ECX. Your ECX tokens are now okay. So because I've not completed KYC, that's why I'm not seeing my ECX here. They even did automatic conversion for those that have completed KYC before today. They just posted it here. As you can see, if I click on this claim ECS, I'm not seeing it. I'm not eligible yet. Let me just complete my KYC. So if you have completed KYC, you'll be seeing it. If you haven't, just make sure to complete your KYC for the next conversion. So that's it. So you see, you are this is where you claim your you mine every 24 hours. You click on claim every 24 hours to mine. That's how it's being done. So claim every 24 hours, complete your KYC to receive conversion. If you want to sell, look for a vendor yourself or wait for their own official listing so that you can sell reasonably. That's all I can tell you. All right, now, so let's go to the Sprout mining tool. For the Sprout mining, this is very simple. All you need to do is to download the app, sign up, use the referral code Eniolami, all in small letters. The referral code for this Sprout is Eniolami, all in small letters. Then you click on this leave logo every 24 hours to mine. I'll drop the registration links for these Sprouts and these ECOX in the description box of this video, as well as their referral codes in the description box of this video. You can also check the pin post in the comment section for the referral link and their code to sign up and be actively mining. Await subsequent updates on how to complete your KYC for this Sprout. I don't think KYC is open for Sprouts yet. So be active. Most people lose guard on KYC when it comes to mining, because mining take a lot of time before they list. So in the process, most people will have just forgotten about the app or just abandon it. And the more you abandon it, the lesser you earn. When you join early, be consistent so that you can mine a lot. Your earnings is dependable on the quantity of token that you mine. Those that mine pi in thousands, they know how much they sold for when they listed. So the same thing, that is how mining projects works. Do not abandon it. Don't after the 1 month, 2 months, a lot of people have abandoned it because they think they are not listing early. This is not testnet. This is mining. So you have to be consistent, be active till they list. You keep mining till they list, till the day of listing. So that's how it works. So check the registration link in the description box of this video. Be actively mining, do your KYC, and await subsequent updates on as things involve, and await KYC for this Sprout. So stay tuned, like and share this video, tell your downlines, tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell, join my Telegram community. Check the link in the pin post in the comment section or the description box of this video, so you don't miss out on any of my updates back to back. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.